Yesterday we were able to win back to back on our predictions in our Telegram app. Okay, yesterday I dropped 4 predictions in the Telegram app. I dropped 2 odds, 5 odds, and 10 odds, and also we combined all the 3 selections and we were able to win something from it because yesterday was another back-to-back win for us. Okay, so those apps that I generated the predictions from today, I'm going to give their predictions on the Euro League, that's the basketballs, also that of the Europa League and the Conference League. So if you get this video, make sure you try your luck on these also, know how these also are going to bless us. Though the time is limited, but make sure you try your luck on these also as to help us know how these also are going to bless us for today. So when you look on the screen, you see that yesterday what I posted in my Telegram group, we won all of them. This morning we won all of them. Okay, so you can check through the video description. The first link, tap on the first link, that's the Telegram group and also the Telegram channel. Just join the Telegram group and the Telegram channel so that you will not miss any updates concerning giving out. And also make sure you subscribe to this channel if you are a first timer. Like this video, so do not forget to share this video to your friends so as to benefit from this video. Now let's get into the odds across the 3 major apps that I used to stake my predictions on. Bodo Glimt and the Besiktas match. This match they tipped over 2.5 goals in the format. Across all the 3 apps, they all tipped over 2.5 goals. Porto Midtjylland over 1.5 goals. Fiorentina versus Lask. Fiorentina straight win but 2 up. So this one to my safer side prediction will be double chance for Fiorentina or Asian handicap plus 0.5 for Fiorentina. Petrolca versus Betis. All of the apps they tipped straight win but 2 up for Betis. For safer side, you can make it like double chance for Betis. Lyon Frankfurt, both teams to score. Malmo and Galatasaray, both teams to score. Hoffenheim and FCD over 1.5 goals in the full match. Silver Player and Anderlecht, double chance for Silver Player. Maccabi Tel Aviv and RFS, straight win but 2 up for Maccabi Tel Aviv. Olympiacos and FC20 over 1.5 goals in the full match. And also Roma and Braga, double chance for Roma. And also when you go to the NBA, that is the regular season for the NBA, Miami versus Toronto, Miami straight win. This is the NBA. Okay, that's the basketball. And also when you go to the Euro League, you see Madrid and Kanu Zagres, straight win for Madrid, and also Alba Berlin and Partizan, straight win for Partizan. These 3 predictions is for the NBA predictions, so you can combine them or also do your selection on these predictions, and also you can as well edit these selections to know how these also are going to bless us for today. As yesterday we were blessed with these odds, today too we hope that we see greens today. Here's the Talk Tech, and if you like watching content like this, make sure you do subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification so that anytime I post a new video concerning giving out odds, you are going to get it. Like this video, so do not forget to share the video to your friends so as to benefit from this video. And as a disclaimer, I disclaim that this is not a financial advice, but I'm also showing how I make money through staking. So therefore, I am not responsible for any profit or loss through this video. Do your own research before you invest, and invest in what you can afford to lose. And remember, this video is for educational purpose as well. Here are the Talk Tech, and we shall meet again in the next video. Greetings once again.